Shelby American launched the 2015 Shelby GT in 2015. It is a package available for the 2015 Ford Mustang GT and is available with either manual or automatic transmissions. According to Shelby American, the upgrades for the 2015 Shelby GT include a more aggressive style with carbon fiber enhancements, hood, rockers, splitters, spoiler, and diffuser. Shelby GT also features cold air intakes customs 20 WELD Venice wheels with high grip Michelin tires, Ford Performance supercharger, Wilwood brakes, adjustable rear control arms, dash-mounted 3-gauge pod for track boost, fuel and oil pressure, race seats, roll cage and harness.